So this is a level 1, level 2 welding technology at the Inner Career Center. And my students come in and learn fillet welds to pipe weld to plate weld, and we kind of cover everything. If you like hands-on, this is for you for sure.
You can leave straight out of here and you have your welding certificate. You can go straight to a job if you want to, or you can go to Greenville Tech and run to a 2-year welding.
Certification-wise, we do AWS, which is American Welding Society. We do a D11 certification, a D91 certification, which is basically plate welds or MIG welding, so they can have that industry certification that would work for them out in the field.
I'm getting 2-3 years ahead of everybody else that would normally just come out of high school and then start doing it. I'm getting to do it during high school.
The ones that make it, they're the ones that make that good money. An average starting welder is probably about $25 an hour for an entry level, and that's just the beginning.
It's just a good class. Welding's a great teacher. It helps with a lot of people. It's just a really good step in the door for a young welder.